Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. This is the full build breakdown video on our shopping cart Go-Kart that we built. Back here we got a 5-horse Honda GC160 motor, custom built exhaust, 62 sprocket for maximum speed and torque. We got disc brake, wheels, frame, price chopper shopping cart, seat, front end, all done up. Let's get into the build. Alright boys, we got this go-kart here. We're going to be taking this whole rear end off. We're going to be taking off the full front steering column, tie rods, everything. We're going to take all this off and get some pedals off. Don't have anything to film on, so I'll show you when we get it off. Alright, so right here we just get everything locked up, making sure it's going to work, seeing how it's going to work, trying to figure it out. And then right here, I'm just welding a support beam for the front of the cart. Alright, I just got it welded in, grind it down. Looking pretty good so far. And then we'll mock it up and start bolt stuff together. We got the steering column scuffed down here. Gonna put a coat of black paint on it, clean it up. We just finished up painting the frame here. Looks pretty good. Let it dry, then we'll start bolting stuff back together. Alright, we got the frame all made up and bolted on now. It's looking pretty good. It's all gonna work, we think. So I just gotta bolt the cart on, put the pedals in the cart, and then we'll be ripping. Alright, so right here we got the cart. We just put some new pedals in it. And we extend the back out by a couple inches just to give some more leg room. Together now. Alright, so it wasn't running without the choke on, so we got a new carb for it from Amazon. We're gonna throw it on and then see if it runs. Got a new carb for her. Hopefully this will make her run good. Got the thing installed. Time lapse. Alright, and then right here, the motor plate wasn't strong enough because when we took it for a test drive it just bent. So we got some nice angler on here to throw on it. the angle arm welded in here. We're gonna throw the motor on and then see how it works.